Oh, jeepers creepers.
What? Oh, that pin's bent.
You see that? So
What is that?
look at the spaghetti. The green goes to the green. The black goes to the black. There was one option that this 2023 Nissan Titan was missing, and that's remote start. So we bought this unit from mypushcart.com. It was around $200, so we're going to see if we can get it installed. There's not a lot of information out here on it. It came with some directions that's a little bit vague, but we're going to get it figured out and see if we can locate the body control module. We'll share that with you when you find it. So if you're looking for a body control module like we are on this truck, we're going to find it for you and let you know where it is. We've located the body control module. It's right there with the green and the black plug just straight up above the gas pedal. So we're going to start plugging and unplugging the spaghetti junction.
What is that?
Look at the spaghetti. The green goes to the green, the black goes to the black. This is Fortnite.
I don't think it's Fortnite.
410.
Copyright.
So it says to plug that black cable in and then do a bunch of stuff. Press and hold this button and that button and blah, 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 a bunch of buttons. But I got the battery cable loose right now. Do not plug any of the connectors in. Nothing. So.
Did you plug any of the connectors in?
No, I plugged all of these connectors into the body control module.
Yeah.
Like doot, 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 doot. And then it's saying something about white pin connector here, the black pin connector there, blah, blah, blah. I'm hoping that I'm not having to cut nothing.
You shouldn't.
But I might have to cut some stuff.
Okay.
But right now, I'm going to go through the procedure. It's all about timing, it says. So I'm going to go through here and I'm going to hold the program button, connect the 4-pin button, and I don't know, it's making my head hurt. So we got everything hooked up. Oh, jeepers creepers.
What? Oh, that pin's bent.
You see that? I didn't do that.
Yeah.
So, who bent this pin?
I have no idea. Was it bent when it came out the pack?
I think it was. I mean, I didn't plug anything into it. So you just can't get good stuff. No. Now that we fixed the bent pins that I did not bend, I've been falsely accused. And then we plug in this.
Is the battery hooked up?
Should have brought my bifocals. So there's that. So you see it going from blue, red, yellow, red, blue, blue. And then you're supposed to stop when it's blue.
Okay, you did.
And then the next step, see, release the button and the blue light is on. Connect the required remaining harnesses.
To all of them.
I didn't know that this step was going to be next. Because the one thing I don't know is what this stuff is. But let's plug up what we do know, which is the red. So did I get all bent out of shape and there wasn't even nothing that plugged into that? What does this plug into, Caleb? Does it?
Yeah. So push the start button twice to turn on the ignition. Is the battery hooked up?
Yeah, it's hooked up.
Key ID incorrect. Place the key near the start switch. Okay, here we go.
And we always try to keep it real on the channel. And we decided to go with this MPC remote start system for this 2023 Nissan Titan. MPC or mypushcart.com has been the go-to for us on all the Toyotas and all the Jeeps that have needed remote start. We put it on. I installed this thing according to the directions, and I got to the steps in the programming and could never get the Titan to see the key to complete the programming so that we could flash the decryptor portion of this install. So some troubleshooting efforts kind of went south, and opened up a ticket with their tech support. They were supposed to call me back. They sent an email instead. I asked for a replacement unit. They only sent a new wiring harness, so got a little frustrated and decided to go with the Starx system. So we're going to trash the MPC. Maybe they'll refund it, maybe they won't, but we're going to try to install the Starx system. It's supposed to be 100% plug and play. So I'm going to plug that right into the BCM, the body control module, just like I did the MPC. And we'll see if we can get the programming to work on this one and hopefully get the remote start going. And this is the same point I got to with the MPC. You can see the BCM, it's way up under the gas feed, so it's just like right up under here, and there's a bunch of wires in the way, but that's where it is, and I hooked it all up. And these are the steps that I got to with the MPC. So let's see if it works on this one. And that is just how it's supposed to work. Just like that. Just like it's programmed to work. So here we go, moment of truth. The programming all seemed to work. I love it when you follow instructions and everything works like it's supposed to. Let's see if it works. So let me tell you a little bit of the differences between the Starx remote start kit for the Nissan Titan. This should be a 16 to 23. And then this is the MPC, or my push cart, also a 16 to 23. So the T harness, or the wiring harnesses on the two, are just a little bit different, but it's still, both of them are 100% plug and play. The programming instructions for both units are exactly the same. Matter of fact, you use exactly the same software to do it with. The only thing is this one worked from Starx. The MPC did not. And there could be something wrong with it. There could be something, but we tried troubleshooting it. It took a whole week of time back and forth. We didn't get a resolution. So I just ordered this one, and in 30 minutes we had the Starx system installed. So I am gonna try to send this one back, the MPC one. Maybe they'll take it. You know, it's a couple of $100, but hopefully they will. Let's move on to the next thing and tell you how much we paid for this. So this was on Amazon. I'll leave the link from Amazon. It was $179. We bought this one. It's $185, so about the same price. And I've never used the Starx systems before, but this time it seemed to work. So there you have it. The installation of a remote start system for a 2016 to 2023 Nissan Titan. And maybe we just had a bad experience with the MPC, but the Starx system is definitely a winner in this case. But if you've got a specific question about this installation, on what we did or how we did it, there's just not a ton of information out there on Nissans. Leave it in the comments down below and we'll definitely head you in the right direction. But don't forget to follow us on Instagram. We always post there before YouTube. We'll catch you guys next time with who knows what we'll find. We're out.